Rodri. And penny course, no, I felt say Barca are creating cultures to fit Rodri. Barca team need create culture a bit fit Rodri. And currently, as we're speaking, fact and yes, a season now Ricardo. Rodri is becoming the important player for Barca. Not because of Rodri Nkwa, but Fele. After say Busque Mune Rakitic Koye. Abeye a tactical tassel for the FC Barca team. Say deep line playmaker pivots Bain or Mubenyano. They went to Ajax, a team agilely dominating the world for one of their best talent. That's Frankie de Jong. Frankie joined Barca with the talent, and he left the biggest asset of a player, our Netherlands. That's availability. So Bayern, he was playing the ball with the talent, but no way availability no fear. So injuries are my Barca and feel that love no. The Champions League task on La Liga ni yedie, but man from mano. And Andra Rodri Ababisi. Now quick one, my yearning komobi images never that screen. So see, this was before Rodri yebe naturally. And imagine that screen is no any dia. Sometimes those of us are communication kakra, we understand visual communication. Kwen fa so dim for ni dim komo aye me ya no. And so rolling images now. Obehu say Rodri at the center and the Barca players now circle Rodri. What it means is that in visual communication, you're talking about authority and power, leadership and communication. So the last time Ricardo Meka has said, one thing personally, Rodri Barca no be called Real Madrid, me pay fin wo enye ball ni bonkwa. We are talking about leadership because this is an FC Barcelona team. They are young guys who are achieving success.
Klinsmann was saying something about Real Madrid in me.
Yes.
Oh, Klinsmann and Madrid.
Yes.
I see.
There is one question I want to ask him.
Okay.
Say, psychologically, Barca, do they have the edge over Madrid in getting Rodri? Because it was clear Madrid wanted Rodri. Madrid had done everything to get Rodri. In fact, and I just see Krasi, no, Rodri had in an extensive conversation. This is the Ballon d'Or winner. He has won it a couple of years ago. We're winning World Cup. We're winning the best player at the World Cup. The history of Football Club Barcelona, any Madrid clearly is there for everybody to tell. One, the fascist, I mean, in terms of the explanation, and one person on where sort of Accra, like on where the minority of a sort of person will be a What is Barcelona there? Catalans have always felt that they are minority, they want to get to the top. For the minority to get him, especially for a player of ball, Villarreal, Eco Atletico de Madrid went out to Manchester City. For them to get him, as a Madrid fan, how do you feel? Did you feel psychological when your age over you?
Yes, and that mentality of Marino will affect Real Madrid team. Personally, tactically, be him say, "Na Madrid be here Rodri, your team." And after say Madrid be here Rodri, he enjoy some politics around him. Oh, you catch in the class, he no more no signings. But deep down as a Real Madrid fan, I felt very bad. Guilty conscience. He come say, "Na you say Madrid here Rodri." Nobody can doubt that fact as a Real Madrid fan. Say, "Na you."
So what changed? Because near nine is one team and Rodri was Real Madrid.
Yes.
What actually changed?
You see, so story now you follow Kakano Ricardo. It got to a point in time. The connoisseurs were saying, say, Mourinho na yedi bibia se Mourinho sa.
Okay.
And in the man did the buy and crime say at a point in time there were politics somewhere. Because we were told say Jose Mourinho almost every transfer be Real Madrid be on one assigned. So the idea was clear. Then time Vini was going to Arsenal or Conco. So get Vini down. Finish because that's also bad. Your man did the thank you. So not two transfers now Madrid pay so we na be political kaka. So get Vini down, get your money down, then go back to Rodri. At the point Rodri felt say no, yeah Barca here to two line no that's here. Of which Barca also and on also Jane call Barca. So you want to say deep down some of the people might like Rodri to come, but that politics of course so and I'm a Real Madrid team and Kwankofa a brand friend Rodri. Me personally as me catch a feed I was very I felt very sad say na was Real Madrid team Rodri.
So only that school of thought there's this school of thought I'm few say a brand any time the Ballon d'Or the man kwanya Real Madrid as a team and as an institution and same be am church or the far brand at a point say even podium no so go among because on deserve age medino. And a couple of issues one Casamo president, Florentino Perez, as an asshole, and said them Philly a brand in ye, because no Philly said, or what a camp fufubi.
Yes.
Only sound school of thought in the Bay Yarding, said a son Yamaninti and our brandena at a point. I realized, okay, some promotion and feeling said Barcelona or yeah, why not Barcelona by Real Madrid?
Yeah, he played a role. We see, Florentino Perez, the last time not make some platform where to say line of addiction in Florentino Perez, politics in signing.
Okay.
The line of addiction, no. So our top players are sometimes he go for potentials like Karas Modi, but sometimes he do the politics because now when himself Rodri joining a different faction on count and a play because Rodri start common start here now one know but and that is a rule Madrid that makes it a lot and so what actually changed? It's up to Sema Madrid for any problem. But personally, president, not on Yadani because politically, Ophelis and Rodri are joining a different side. And I believe say and also play a role. Thank you. And Rodri. And Rodri, I bet say at a point in time because the adaptation and the telepathy of Benya Barca was very normal. Because even recently, World Cup, the memory say about team, I say most of the integral members are on
Barcelona.
Exactly.
They fit into the team and you're doing
into the bank common so I bet you sign your money and how was sign your money about yeah
unkasa bibiri but messages are bahano minimum say we or your banner Sarah Sarah say nah this guy is damn good.
Wow, thank you.
We can propose video coffee
na so ni pane kasa one kasa.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, family and Kakana. And that intro Kakrabi. You should any time coffee.
Don't worry. Say room and I also say time.
Maybe it's what time we program is.
You see, I think Barca also made Rodri feel more important. And what Jose Mourinho, Jose says that for a club like Football Club Real Madrid, when Madrid calls you don't have doubts in your head. Barca made sure, and maybe it's because of the position they also come from as a club. Barca have always known that for them in the Catalan DNA, it's all you need to do above yourself. So if you listen to the Rodri of the story of how Rodri became a Barcelona player, it was clear. Madrid were leading to be the destination for our mighty friend Rodri Cascante. Then that one wedding party of Codinha, it changed everything. And then when I make catch him, and I don't for Codinha and a wedding. Then Rodri went there. Then Barcelona spent time in convincing Rodri Cascante say, nah, you are the guy that we want you to come and play in our middle for us. And when you're able to convince him, Rich, whether you like it or not, when Mipa Jumo baby or feeling louder, they go where they feel like they're going to be more comfortable. It's as simple as that. And that is how they got him. Yeah, Rodri adds so much to the Barcelona team. Yesterday I told you, don't look at it from the resale value point of view. And yet every purchase beyond the economics. And yet every purchase beyond the finance. Now, in football, the first thing is to be successful from the sporting point of view. If you're able to get sporting success, then you use that as a skateboard or as a launch pad to get to the very top. And that is what Barcelona are looking to do. Again, this is Obi Awe winning Ballon d'Or. When he walks into the club, it's so important. Away from even the psychological edge that I think Barcelona have won over Football Club Real Madrid, the importance is that he is such a tactical fit for Park in Fiifi. And I've always mentioned that if Barca say that they want to pivot their ship and anchor it El Park in Fiifi, you leave it into the middle of the ocean and allow the rest to go and play. PEDRO can now box to box if he wants to. He can manipulate the half space if he wants to. You can have that the almost same right side, left side. Opa, the point in time where you want Gavi can come in and do the job. So it's just pure quality plus a player that fits them. Again, tactically. One of the things that Rodri asked this Barcelona team, and I think that Sansidita Flip me had seen it with the Spanish national team, was the ability to play 2 double sixes in terms of recycling of play. A difference, now one number 6 only came out or to the boss and already started playing. But so like what Luis de la Fuente did in all of those KG games at the World Cup with our friend Fabian Ruiz and also Rodri Cascante, it gives you extra control. in the Spanish national team, there was that addition of physicality also Park and Fiifi. And it's something that Barcelona lacks. Whether you like it or not, a midfield pair of Frankie de Jong, Pedro Gonzalez, Gavi are very combative, more combative than the previous two, Amabo Modino. But even with Marc Barnau, physicality was shot in the Barcelona midfield. And the X factors, and Barcelona team got the next level to win the Champions League. It is somebody who could sit in the middle and then connect everything. The experience of Rodri Cascante becomes a connector. So Park and Fiifi, his ability as a recycler of the ball becomes a connector of Park and Fiifi. The physicality that he adds to the team becomes a very much connector in terms of when the ball falls to him, his ability to win the ball back and transition. Very, very important for Rodri. Plus the leadership and personality. And like Kingsman mentioned, when somebody walks into your room, there are people who have it and there are those who don't have it. And we all know. There are certain people, when they walk into a room, they are normal people.
Aura, Nino.
Exactly. I didn't want to use the word aura, but waboso. There are certain people, they come with a personality. Now, I'm avoiding the word aura. So I wanted to use the word personal. They come with a personality, the charisma. Or rather, any man, this is the person. And Rodri embodies it. And the fact that he has worked under somebody who is an astute follower of Cruyffism under Josep Guardiola and coming to the home of Cruyffism in Barcelona, it makes it even seamless for him to come through and come and play his football. They have a very, very good team. I mean, now some more midfield training about.
Yeah, but
now Madrid has Jude, Valverde, Tchouaméni, Camavinga, Bernardo, Mastantuono Beko on loan, right? Who else? About 5 solid midfielders. So I want to see midfield 3. Why not?
Wow.
A classical big game.
Okay.
Madrid midfield 3.
I think I'll go for Jude Bellingham, as Mourinho rightly said, and
Jude Bebo 10.
Yes. Then I'll fit Valverde.
Okay,
I'll fit Valverde. Then apart from that, I'll go for Tchouaméni. You see, the last time I make a say Tchouaméni and Mourinho, me who so bit me aye bikaka. Say recycle na Tchouaméni here and Charlotte Mone Alonso Mri and Dawson. So the consistency for the rule require na nye bebre. And last season the Real Madrid midfield no at the point in time tactically was a little bit weak. So who ye DM na say who destabilize the play now. A lot ebe so ninti. At the point in time, Bebre coach also.
So it means that you not start with Bernardo Silva.
No, maybe Bernardo will come from the bench and bring the heads.
Okay, but wait, let's do this. We are saying that Rodri comes from Manchester City, has won it all. Comes into the Barcelona team, and then now all of a sudden he will start. He's a difference maker.
Yes.
So even before we talk about the complementing pairs of the midfield, no? So we Bernardo Silva, we Tchouaméni, we Valverde, now we Jude Bellingham. Let's even put Jude aside. But the 3 that you said you're going, one here better midfielder, like this 3. Bernardo, Tchouaméni, and Federico Valverde.
Among the 3, you're best.
Yeah, I mean, in terms of how they fit together, but who is single, stand alone, or you're better midfielder?
I'll go for Bernardo Silva.
Bernardo Silva. About that, it's, again, Rich, very interesting.
Because I know the same
exactly.
question. Yeah.
That is the truth. Bernardo didn't born. Yes. But this is the analysis both of us are trying to make.
Yes.
The difference is that aside the footballer Bernardo Bebono, aside the footballer Rodri, because only have Man City never.
Yes.
But Rodri brings an X factor, personality, leadership. Bernardo is more ball. But when Bernardo walks into a room of top football players, oh yeah, Bernardo, oh yeah,
diminutive.
Yes.
Yes.
But Rodri can play the ball, but he's a personality. Walks in and controls everybody's head. And you remember World Cup in England? Na calibrate a jabo. No, but back in Pate say nyan do was here.
And
not calibrate to the was.
Even me
sometimes
no accept no can is very true. Let me ask something. Who say during preseason na Madrid we have very good preseason. Bernardo Bobo Pau bounce will be and can say. Benoit just unveiling of Rodri. Aji baby afa. As if said Rodri about classico assist by 3B. So the personality is there.
Madrid for that try about be unveiling be of Bernardo Silva.
Yes, but still
video being
I do
so now
no they will not be close to what Madrid for it's going to be very interesting. My very last thing I want to touch on about those two teams is that for Barcelona, Omunyomo star player.
Barcelona.
Before Rodri was Julian Alvarez. Another one. Yes, it was Julian. But for me, without Julian, and I don't know if anybody agrees, without Julian, Barca is still in a good place. Because I've said it several times. Say, Kagos in Kwan, I am of the strong belief, say, you let me attack
of course. But
the defensive solidity and balance that Rodri brings to the team. Now, so me team America say, okay, fine, team say champions, okay, Barca call Champions League semi-final Barco, Barco quarter final Barco, and the Hansen it a flick. Wajin La Liga, what Barcelona need is winning the Champions League because this is going to be the 12th season. 12th, a club, the magnitude of football club Barcelona. Madrid go 2 seasons back to back without a trophy. Big trouble. Barca have gone 12 seasons without a Champions League. And that is my question to all the Klinsmann and everybody that's watching us. The inclusion of Rodri. Does it take them to the next step of winning the ballot, of winning the Champions League?
Okay, and I'm so with the Barca fans and so.
Because
I
also Rodri the personality, analysis,
and everybody be so back camp Barcelona team.
Does he win them the Champions League?
I see, Fifi, I think there is more to that. Me personally, okay. One department I'm feeling like was a Barca RDBB was the defense. You can't take away the fact say Rodri the BB because unse no na me didn't come be Rodri ba Barca. One player I very happy by Daniel Monti. No because during the World Cup as a link-up player Aljibo Jinasu Bebre. Oh that confidence about say yeah. There is one player or midfield wow. But see Aljibo number. So when you confidence thank you. But you can't throw the fact away say in the Champions League last season that was one avenue expose FC Barca. Early goals are no more considered. So I was expecting say Rodri the BB but for the Champions League in big stages semi-final Barca ni PSG Barca ni Arsenal bia you need a solid centre back who bring the best out of Kubas.
The honor Rodri personality no be enough.
It do why enough.
Highline no.
Yes. You imagine say who said the last time I make us and be say Kubas in your World Cup na me who say if you get a solid centre back to pay him you complement him. It is all Laporte come on the kakra imagine so any yes and any proper centre back he will give him that freedom because during the World Cup you will ball on also boy so fee yes Rodri maybe the La Liga number toe to toe with Madrid but Champions League at big stage
World Cup because on emerge as the young player
yes
Kubasi
but he played next to an experienced as I said Emerick Laporte
suddenly the age way now Spain team we emerge as the young player
the best days in terms of even the Champions League when Barcelona were on its peak where they were playing a lot of good football because one of the things I'm called for and for Madrid especially Barcelona fans is that when you play Pau Kubasi now about Gerard Martina now Pau becomes the leader of the back line because usually as a centre back you are even the leader over the fullbacks centrally control everything but he is young at that age so young when he had his best days he played next to a friend is saying this young centre back I'll call Saudi Arabia Martinez very very good that was Gerard Martin on the say but two centre backs almost all the two centre backs on one bar top and he has shown that he is brilliant in all of that all of them be experienced centre backs it tells you that say 1% Pau Kubasi any the calmness to play the football and then help Barcelona you need an experienced head next to him and that is what Barca may be lacking but I would think that I would want to look at how the season goes because again Rich when you go back to the game Barca you film last season against Atletico Madrid so when him say Pau Kubasi the red card the depth and Barcelona fan will argue say Fifi Andreas Christensen and it is true Rich in terms of Hansi Flick ball to form player from the back and you any life that happens in a mind Andreas Christensen are falling down the pecking order. This is a boy that from Germany to Chelsea in terms of playing the ball on the ground he was one of the best. Now Andreas Christensen has always been the physical side of the game. Belgium versus Spain one of the best games I've seen for Pau Kubasi because he had an experience in Emerick Laporte You want one Kalala. Then good communication. Kubasi call no akoshe Lukaku Kwasi. Then Laporte for the dean and the Spanish will progress the ball. Those are some of the things. So there's an issue with what we say Andres Christensen. And even with the development of Gerard Martin, for Barca fans, they think that Gerard Martin can give them a lot of multiplicity in terms of positions of the ball, which is good. But again, in the crunch times, against Arsenal, semi-final, against and then Liverpool crowd put it not so much of it. Which quickly he had something to say about Chelsea for the way but Joao Pedro according number 9 quickly then
Kakrebi na. Yeah, so and I think say now will be a change Chelsea numbers and me the reason why I am an idiot is naturally me are very superstitious. Which is honey man the cultures, traditions and norms and 3 people na me here we just numbers. Yes. Modric I was waiting because he's back. Anderson and Welbeck I was waiting because normally they are the experience and all no BF was the JC number 9 and Pedro J. And you see in sports if an arbitrary an event a JC number occurs the most ever football now it's contrary to a situation be very bad any coincidence be e ba be ye metra da ho say football na ye die no your object be and an event be of football na say it's associated with constant failures untimi ka say coincidence it turn from coincidence to an institutional myth so the Chelsea jersey number 9 is no more a coincidence, it's becoming an institutional myth and football is so staunch with culture and traditions untimi new film so that superstition is there and only say currently I'm not for graduate called the jersey number 9 so mama wade bi from 2004 ebesi 13 players all the Pedro Kanwa na abese the jersey number 9 and in the Western Europe the number 13 is considered as a bad luck even apart from say jersey number 9 that superstition and myth and say case no uko the Western Europe the number 13 being Joao Pedro being the 13th player to wear the number 9 is considered as a bad luck until we check Niema uko Portugal uko Spain they don't even like the number 13 because they believe say at the bad luck biba the Portuguese and the Spanish or Kalala will tell you say the last supper nani put 13 at the table no the 13th apostle was Judas oh yes my so they don't like the number 13 uko Italy is associated with one of their goddesses or mamu bad luck Greece the same thing so there are lots of superstitions and myths backing the jersey number 9 and even Onua Pedro being the 13th man since 2004 till now to wear the jersey number 9.
It's a cow banner. Kabaka is a more accepted jersey number 9. Accepted.
But see one thing Brazilians no so edify these superstitions and I believe they have
challenge yourself.
Yes, they have those things to do because Obenya Pele, that lack or the jersey come out fan. Brazilians say they will not wear the white jersey again and even Ronaldo money so they should do a lot.
One of the things
Ronaldo rapi up
Joao Pedro number 9 now I don't know. Me, I like it. The biggest mistake Joao Pedro would have done was to come to Chelsea and say that there is a possible number 9 case in Timenji. Mentality, he would have been gone. Me striker as a striker that feels and believes in terms of ball na ye babe ball. Me na me on the front line. And in the morning game, the striker wears the number 9. You see, sometimes we talk about the number 9, we forget the likes of Romelu Lukaku in his first season. That's not bad. There are some of them that came in and then they put up a very good performance. It's true. The sheer number of people, 12, are my unsuccessful wearing a Chelsea number 9 makes it worrying. But for me, personality-wise, I think it's brilliant for him to have Chelsea number 9 on Marco as a player. The Barca season is starting.
Sure.
How
and
with respect to Chelsea.
All right. Madam, I say Fiifi Manfred and Kingsman Kalala. China Mobeti Bibri and so Eddie Efi Abranteno and so